Okay, in this segment we are going to go over user administration. This is the process of giving users access to the system and removing that access and administering roles within CAVAR for different users. First thing we need to do is make sure we're logged in with a user that has administrative access. Users that are administrators will see a setup an admin selection at the lower left of the main navigation window. If they are not an administrator, they will not see this selection. So we're going to click on Set up an admin, and when that form comes up, the first tab is User Administration. We'll see a list of current users on the left side, and we'll see the selected users information to the right. So by clicking different users, we'll see whether or not they're active and whether or not they have roles in the system. First task to deactivate a user. If we want to go ahead and deactivate tester 1, we're just going to click deactivate user. It's going to ask us if we want to remove the user roles as well, and we'll say yes. And now this user is deactivated and can no longer access the system. If we want to activate them, we're going to click activate user, and it's going to tell us that we need to reset the password in order for them to get access to the system. Now this is important. We'll want to come over here to set and reset password. Type in the password, and the form will not let you save it unless you type it in correctly, the same password both times. So now this user has access as a regular CAVAR user. A CAVAR user can view and edit contracts, vehicles, run reports, and do most of the basic functions within CAVAR. If we want to give them administrative access, we make sure we check CAVAR Administrator, and then this user will be able to come into this menu and administer users as well. And we click Save. If you want to add a new user, we'll just click on this icon in the upper left where it says Add New User to CAVAR. And a blank form will come up, and here's our new demo user. And we'll give him an email at email.com, and we'll give him a phone number. Okay, and we'll click Save. It's going to ask for a password. Type it in twice, click Save, and now this user will have access. Make sure we check CAVAR user so they can access the system. Now at any time we want to reset a password for a user, maybe they forgot their password, we just come here as an administrator, click on that user's name on the left, the username, and we can click Set and Reset Password. And basically we just go in and override their password as an administrator. And these are the ways that we administer users in CAVAR.